Hello, welcome air sign. So, ito ang reading para sa'yo. Air sign. Please do hit the like and subscribe button. Paki-comment na lang dyan sa baba, guys. Kahit po heart lang, malaking bagay yun sa akin. Nagpapakita ng malaking suporta. At nakikita ko yung mga nagko-comment. Na-appreciate ko yung comments ninyo, guys. Sobrang na-appreciate ko po. Maraming salamat. Start na natin. This is for air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Let's start your reading. Kapalaran sa pag-ibig for air sign, please. For air sign, please. Okay, one last shuffle. Okay. Thank you, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. Eight of Wands is here. Eight of Cups and Five of Wands. Nakita tayo din na ng paglalaban or pag-aaway or pagkakagulo. And I feel like you're leaving something behind. And some of you, it has something to do with family matter, especially with the Eight of Wands. So, pwede may kinalaman sa usaping pamilya, pag-aaway, pagkakagulo. The Knight of Pentacles, may iba may kinalaman sa contract, documents, paper. Be aware of this, some of you. Kung hindi pa nangyayari yung problema na yon, especially there's Mercury retrograde ngayong April 2024, and solar eclipse. So, medyo mag-ingat ka pagdating sa usaping documents. Basahin mo mabuti 100% bago ka pumirma. Naintindihan mo, naunawaan mo. Kasi, nakakita tayo dito ng malaking problema na pwedeng, hindi naman malaking problema, but, you know, Mercury retrograde, maaaring meron kang mga ma-miss na details, maaaring merong, lalo na when it comes to communication, meron yung mga mali yung pagkakabasa mo, mali yung pagkakaintindi mo, and then that would cause a lot of troubles, problems. Tapos, or ikaw ito na parang, tsaka mo lang marirealize, huli na, nakapirma ka na. So, medyo, ayun lang, pinag-iingat ka lang. But anyway, some of you, there's this Five of Wands, so, there's big chaos, problem, na pwedeng iniiwasan or nagfo-focus ka sa future. Who is this person nakakonect ni air sign, please? Person nakakonect ni air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, please. Air sign. Person nakakonect ni air sign. Queen of Wands. Okay, this is could be an advisor, could be a friend. Nine of Wands. Kung ano man yung mga challenges sa buhay. I feel like there's a person na parang nag-a-advise sa'yo, pero siya rin mismo may problema, kaya hindi siya makapag-decide sa something. So, yung iba, this is not love reading. Pwedeng this could be just a friend, a co-worker, someone na lumalabas as your advisor. Or some of you, this is a soulmate energy. This is coming from your soul tribe with the high priestess. Ayan. King of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Cancer is also here with the Chariot. So, pwedeng itong person na ito, gusto niya mag-take ng risk. Pero, parang stuck siya eh. Hindi siya makaalis sa situation. Or meron siyang might be hindi magawa pero gusto niyang gawin dahil sabi ko, nakakita tayo ng challenge din sa kanya eh. So kung may challenges sa'yo, may challenge din sa kanya. May sarili siyang problema. Okay, let's move on. Emotion mo para sa person na ito. Nine of Swords. For some of you, problemado ka pa. Okay, pwedeng yung iba, love mo itong person na to or may pagtingin ka sa kanya, but something here, I feel like you do love this person, pero parang feeling mo nag-end na yung sa inyo. Nasasaktan ka. You want to forget this person, some of you. Parang mahal mo siya eh. Mahal mo pa siya eh. And yung iba naman sa inyo, literal na may problema ka rin kasing iba pa ngayon. So, kung may nag-end man sa inyo, oo, masakit yun, malungkot yun, pero wait lang, may iba pang mas mahirap at malungkot kang pinagdadaanan ngayon. Okay? And yun yung nagdudulot ng stress sa'yo. Anong emotion niya para sa'yo? Air sign. Emotion niya para sa'yo. The Six of Swords is here. King of Wands. Ace of Wands. If this is a past person or an ex, nakamove on na itong taon to. Okay? If you're dealing with an ex, nakamove on na siya. But if this is a new person or walang relationship na nangyari or nangyayari, there's a lot of passion dito sa taong to. The King of Wands, yeah. This person, gusto kanya talaga. And gusto niya ng new beginning sa inyo. But, I feel like the main problem kaya hindi magtuloy-tuloy yung communication is because the Three of Swords. Some of you, someone here is still involved with someone. So, pwedeng ikaw ay involved or may kakonek ka pang iba or siya ay may kakonek pang iba. Whatever the case is, hindi para sa lahat yung third party. Some of you lang, konti lang sa inyo. Pwedeng ganun. And then, itong person na ito sees you as a person na parang nakikita niya yung soulmate connection ninyo. Kaya lang, wala siyang magawa regarding dito eh. Kasi, very challenging yung situation niya talaga ngayon. Okay? I feel like hindi siya pwedeng magkamali or bawal siyang gumawa ng hindi maganda or kaaya-aya sa mga tao sa paligid niya. Okay? So, what will happen in the future for the both of you? In the near future for the sign of air sign. Queen of Swords. Ten of Wands. Ten of Swords. Yeah. The Judgment is here. And the Ten of Cups. The Three of Swords. Okay. I feel like this person, ikaw yung nakikita natin magka-cut off sa kanya. Na parang maaaring hindi mo siya binibitawan or hindi ka nag-give up sa connection ninyo. Pero time will come, mag-give up kayo. There's tatlong 10 dito. So, this is signifying an ending between the two of you. Pero the moment na i-end mo, the moment na bitawan mo, the moment na wala ka ng pakialam, ito naman yung moment na magigising siya sa connection ninyong dalawa. And this would cause a lot of pain. Three of Swords dito sa taong to. And I feel like with the Ten of Cups, I feel like doon niya marirealize kung ano talaga yung emotion niya para sa'yo. Which is there's a deep love na involved dito sa connection ninyo. The Queen of Cups, mahal ka pala talaga ng taong to. Doon niya marirealize pag give up ka na. The Eight of Pentacles, I feel like you are working dito para sa sarili mo, on yourself. And the Magician, you will be focused on your skills, your talents. And the Seven of Swords, this is you na walking away sa connection na ito because mas focus ka sa career mo. You want to make changes and new beginning dyan sa, lalo na may kinalaman sa career, stability and money. And with pagdating sa Six of Pentacles, you will, I feel like time will come, you will help a lot of people. Mapagbigay ka kasi talagang tao with the Page of Pentacles. And yeah, you will be focusing on your purpose. And maybe, ang alam mo, yung maaaring ang purpose ng iba sa inyo is to help other people. And you will be focusing on that. And pagdating sa person mo, if this is a soulmate connection, tsaka niya marirealize na kung gaano yung kasakit pag wala ka na pala talaga. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.